Welcome back to the Tech Space. In this video we're going to be going over how to use math in C++ the correct way. So I see a few videos that were wrong, 1 and 2. I have an older video and I figured, an older video series on this, so I figured I'd give you guys an updated version of what I figured out since then and just nuances along the way. Again, just giving you guys an updated version. So just jumping straight into it here. So the math in C++ is pretty simple, and it's basically just like the math you'd write on paper. Now what we're going to go ahead and do is just delete all of this, except for the float variable. We're going to create two float variables that are equal to whatever we want. So I have float x, I'm going to create it equal to 6.7, and I'm going to create another float variable called y and make it equal to 5.6. Now I use x and y a lot because it's something that obviously you use in algebra a lot. It's something we're all familiar with, and we can all relate to. So next, what we're going to want to do is create an equation variable. Now what we're going to do with this variable is give it some type of math formula. Now it sounds complicated, but it's very easy. So I'm just going to go ahead and create it, and then we'll go ahead and go over it. So we're going to say equation, and let's not capitalize it. Equation 1 is equal to y divided by x. Now you see that the divided by sign is the forward slash. You're going to want to remember that. Remember all these symbols. So we're going to go ahead and make an example for every symbol. So we have y multiplied by x. That is the number 8 if you press shift and 8 on most keyboards. And we're going to create another equation for the subtraction. So we'll do x minus y, float, and equation 4, set it equal to x plus y. Now make sure these are case sensitive, so make sure you don't put capitalizations, and make sure your capitalizations are always correct. That's why I said don't capitalize anything specific, because you might mess it up in the future. So that's just something to know. But these are the math operators in C++. Just get used to using them. And what we're going to see here is just these different symbols. The only thing different is the divided by symbol, the forward slash. Most of us use the this symbol, whatever, I don't want to say it wrong, starts with the A-S-T, I think. It's an A word that, I don't remember, whatever. So this, most of us know, is multiply, obviously subtract, and obviously addition. But divided by, again, is the forward slash sign, because there is no divided by on a keyboard. But that's basically it for this video. I'm going to show you guys how to output these formulas, and that's basically it. So obviously, to output, you're just going to push C out, or type C out, obviously. 2 less than signs to indicate that you're outputting to the user, and we're just going to say output equation 1. So we want to know the answer to equation 1, and just say end line. So when we run this, we'll see we get a float up to 6 decimal places, and we get the answer. It's 0.835821. So you can do this with all the rest of the equations if you want to check them out. Other than that, I will see you guys in the next video, because we're done with the basics of math, and we're going to move on to arrays now. And I guess I'll just see you in the next video. So like and subscribe. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the video. Okay, I'm messing this up all types of ways. Like the video if you enjoyed it, and subscribe to my channel because I have tons of content pretty late at night. That's why I'm a little scrambly with my words. But other than that, I will see you guys next time. Have a good day.